My teacher's gonna watch this video. Even my classmate. Hello there, my name is Nut and welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna unbox and review the Huion H420. So this is basically a drawing pad. Yeah, so I'm gonna unbox it, review it, and show some example of me drawing. So let's get to the unboxing, shall we? Right after this intro. So here we are. Here's the package, the Huion H420. So this thing have, this is a drawing pad, of course, not a drawing tablet. You can count as a tablet. This is the USB pen tablet, the Huion H420. Okay, remember that. You're gonna flip around. You guys can read the description. You can pause the video if you guys want to read it. Look at the side. The Huion. Side. The spec. You guys read it. Package. The USB pen tablet. This thing has 2048 pressure level. This tablet you can use for pen signature, drawing, writing, and industrial design. For example, Photoshop, or I don't know, anything that involve hardcore, probably 3D, something like that. I'm not sure. So this is in Huion. So let's unbox this, shall we? There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Thank you for choosing Huion. Let's check this back. This awesome card. Let's open this up. There you go. Thank you for choosing Huion. You guys can read it. Look at this. Some QR code. Check out this QR code. Probably this company is good. I heard this company is gonna be like the second. The number one is gonna be the Wacom. But the Huion is actually put as my seconds. Also a glove. Should I wear it? Yeah, why not? Yeah, hold up. Hold up. I think I'm wearing it correctly. Hold up. Oh I just knocked back. Hold up. There you go. Yeah. It's like that. There you go. Yeah, there we go. There we go. The glove. So here's the pen. Seal. Let's focus. Seal. Let's open this up. Here's the pen. There we go. Look at it. Look at this. Like a trigger. Like, I believe this. If I heard this online, I believe this like the on and off button. So that's cool. Let's place to the side. Let's move this one. Let's take this out. There we go. Huion packaging. There you go. See this. So this one has the programmable button, customized button. You can do shortcuts, delete, undo, size. I don't know. You guys can look at it. Let me zoom. Let me focus. There we go. You can see. There's the back. There's something. I believe there's a whole cable. Where is it? There you go. The cable. Yeah. There's let's put it to the side. So it's basically like this, and yeah, something like that. Let's put it to the side. Let's unbox this. There's some more stuff. First, the cable, of course, if you want to plug this to a laptop. This thing support Mac and also Windows, so got that covered. And some manual and some pen tips. Okay. Some manual, which is a big one. The big manual. Hold up, give me 1 second. There you go. There you go. You know what? I'm not gonna open the manual. Screw it. Screw the manual. There you go. So yeah, there's the box, and I'm probably gonna do some example drawing. So yeah, let's cut to that video, shall we? That clip, shall we? So hold up, let's show you guys the packaging, the box, everything. Let's move this box to the side. Oh my god. So here, this is what you got. You got this, the pen, and also the cable to plug into your computer. So you can draw, you know, normal stuff. I can feel this already, but this doesn't work if you don't plug it to the computer, so a laptop. So I'm gonna plug it in, and let me show you guys the example of a testing. So let's cut to the laptop, shall we? So to plug it in is very simple. So this is the drawing pad, and this is the cable. So this is the cable hole, you can see it. So let's plug it in. Come on. There you go. There you go, it's plugged in. And take the USB and plug it in over here. There you go. Until you see that blinking light. There you go. It's on. And let's go to the computer or OBS. So let's go. So this is my first time opening OBS, so don't judge me, okay? I still have to learn about OBS, okay? It's my first time, and plus I'm not an artist, okay? So my art's gonna be hideous, of course, and get used to it. For the first time, you're gonna get difficult, but when time progress, you get better with it. So basically, you have to download the software. You can look up in the manual, or I'll put a link in the description so you guys can read it. So you can download software, and you found this, the pen tablet driver. You right click it, or you left click, didn't open, but you go to the tab, what I'm doing, and there's a software. So first button, second button of the pen is, I have no idea, but I did some macros or something like that. Macros or something. There's support, you have to enable that. And there's pressure sensitivity, to control the pressure, the monitor, screen, make sure. And there's the pen pressure test. The pen pressure test is to test the pressure of the pressure of the pen. For example, look at me. I use red. I try to use the pen, from smooth to like darker. Look at that. That's beautiful. I'm drinking some water. It's from green, the blue, and then just for fun, SUBS, subs. Clear that. And then we also have something called there's a website, you can click on that, the setting, and there's advanced setting, which means that you can customize the macros or the express keys. And this is actually the fun part. You can customize the button to do shortcuts. For example, for me, I do save, undo, and delete. Normal stuff, you can customize wherever you want. There's full area. You want to, how to maintain the area. So first, are you drawing the screen ratio, and the normal stuff you actually do. This disable express key is like disable, the macro keys or shortcut. And there's left hand if you are lefty, and control cursor, so you have to control it. You can read it. Yeah, this is actually my first time. So yeah, if you're lefty, turn on cursor control, turn on. Have to turn on, of course. Okay. Let's open some paint, shall we, and show some real work. Okay, so let's go. So here's the proof that I'm actually using the drawing pad on the computer. So let's make some YouTube play button, I guess. So let's do this. Just yank it. There we go. We take this. Where are you? There we go. Do this. White. Are we not gonna fill it? So let's do this. Move it. Should I just fill it? Hold up. There we go. It's not a perfect circle. How do I rotate it? Oh, I can do this. Hold up. There we go. There we go. Let's adjust this. Adjust this. There we go. Let's put this. Perfect. It's beautiful. Let's do this, I guess. You know what? Let's put a... No. Let's do... Let's do this. Yeah, why not? Wait. This. Why not? So let's do this. And then let's write this. There we go. A perfect message for all my viewers. There you go, to prove that I'm actually using it. There's a proof. I'm actually using it. So here we go. There you go. Yes. There you go. I love my viewer and my YT, my YouTube channel. So hideous. There you go. Love my YouTube. You get the point. You get the... So let's draw a basic. I don't know. Let's draw like a basic. I don't know. Let's draw a basic. Let's draw a creeper head. There we go. There we go. Oops, my bad. There we go. Let's draw a freaking head. It's not beautiful, but you get the point. There we go. Let's take some green. Put it in. Add some black. Look at it. It's beautiful. Now this to prove that I'm actually using the tablet. Here's the mouse. I'm putting the mouse away. So all this I've been using is this drawing pad. So yeah. YouTube. Let me draw a person. This me. You see this? Hold up. Let me take this. There we go. This me. Crap. There we go. Loving. Let me put this. Loving my channel. To prove that I actually love my channel. I mean, that's all the evidence I need. So, yep. I can cut this video to the, ending, I guess. Yeah. So, after spending a lot of time, the drawing pad, the Huion H420, this drawing pad, and I'm gonna say it. Yeah, I'm gonna say it. This might be the best drawing pad for best value, literally, for the value. For the value, is actually pretty good. And my thing, there's other brand that you should buy. For example, the famous brand, Wacom. They have the the one by Wacom, which is basically the same. But here's the thing, that the one by Wacom costs 200 ringgit. 200 ringgit is too expensive. No one will buy that. I mean, if you're a baller. But with the price like this, even though it's small, it's solid, and plus, you're getting macros. If you buy the one by, I'm not sure if they're giving me macros, but this, you get macros. And my thinking, Pulse, how much does it cost? How much does it cost? Well, let me tell you, this thing costs under 200, even under 150, even under 100. This thing costs 70 ringgit. Basically, it's very cheap. I mean, not basically cheap, it's very best value. And you can decide to cut the cost low if you don't want the macros. I just believe like less than 5 ringgit, something like that. But hey, add more 5 ringgit and you're getting yourself a macros. And this macros, you can do anything. Shortcuts, save, undo, delete, or something, I don't know. And I'm gonna say this might be the best, literally. For me, I recommend this for the beginners or someone. If you are an artist, a sketch designer, or a 3D modelist, or even a teacher, some mathematical teacher, math teacher, teaching some students some numbers, like 1 plus 1 equals 2, matrix, division, I don't know, variation. But for me, it's like literally the best. I'm gonna be honest, this might be the best. I know this thing is very value, and plus I'm not gonna lie, this thing is awesome. So, conclusion, should you buy this? Yes, if you're an artist a designer, a 3D modeler, a 3D designer, or even a teacher, a math teacher, and you know, teaching some math value, you know, listen to this. You can listen to that. So this is a value 100%, 10 out of 10, best value. So I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, you know, the Huion H420s. If you like this, make sure you like this video. Okay, consider subscribing. It's actually normal. And don't forget, my name is Pauls, and don't forget, bye!